Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will do an introduction to network forensics with a sample pickup that is suspected emotet. So for these purposes, we will be using Zeek Pro and also some IDS like Snort Suricata. For this example, I am using an sample traffic from malware traffic analyzers, which you can also use. It has plenty of sample pickups with some of them with analyzed reported. So let's begin. For a starting point, uh, I'm gonna analyze it with uh, well-known tool Zeek. So first of all, let's make the fonts bigger. Where is it? Where is it? This one. Cool. Okay. We have the pickup here. So we will try to parse it to the related protocols by using Zeek minus read, and this will create different txt files with related protocols so that you can look for suspicious file transfers, connections, HTTP sessions, DNS sessions. For example, in pe.log file, we have portable executable summary with possible packers like UPX0, UPX1 resource names. In HTTP log, we are seeing different URLs, user agents. In connection log, it's a flow type data that includes source IP, destination IP, source port, destination port, related protocol. So especially files.log is an imported file that records transferred files during the web TCP UDP sessions with related MIME times. For example, here's a transferred portable executable file with this MIME type, and looks like it is a good starting point for us since it is transferred using HTTP protocol. So the thing is, with Zeek, formerly known as Bro, these logs can be correlated using uh, unique ID value. For example, if we want to start with files.log, we can look for specific portable executable file with the name and also IP. So here's the unique ID for this. So if you look to the columns, You can see first column is timestamp, and second column is file unique ID. So this one is a unique ID for the portable executable. And also we are also seeing a Dodge file. Possible it is a macro that is downloading an exe file, because if you look for the receiver host, they are same. And also we are also seeing connection ID. So if you look for the related connection for this unique ID, connection ID, we can grab this value. So let's copy this file and grab this value in the all logs, and also let's color them. So as you can see, this unique ID included in three different Zeek log: files log that we just saw, connection log, which is also a connection. So you need to connect in layer 3, layer 4 before downloading a file via layer ready, if you think an OSI logic. And also HTTP log. It is an HTTP log for the transferred file. So as you can see, this file probably downloaded via GET request from this domain, and this URI, and it is the downloaded file. Here, as you can see, these two values are same. So we are pretty sure that we found an downloader URL, sorry, and if we want to analyze this thing, we can also pivot using file unique ID, which is also a correlation value between the logs. So if you look for this thing, grep, here you are looking three different log file. One is HTTP log that we previously saw, the file log, and also PE log. Since we are downloading a portable executable, it is also recorded in this file. So yeah, we are pretty sure about the maliciousness of this file. Now we can also try to run this in Snort. So VirusTotal has a Snort engine embedded in the traffic. If we upload this file, by the way, if it's a confidential file that is suspected, that includes confidential information, never upload this kind of things to public sandboxes. So as you can see, let's rerun. Interesting. It is not showing the snort thing, so I think something is wrong. Let's try another site, shark total and network total, sorry. While it is analyzing this pcap, let's try to get more info about this traffic. So when we look for the HTTP log, we saw that there is a related exe download from this URI, and also we are seeing an post request to this URI. It is possible a C2 site because we are seeing a post request to this IP. So let's try grabbing this file, this IP. We are seeing a bad HTTP request and also line terminated with single CR in weird block. So if you try to open this file in Wireshark and try to search uh, related sessions for this IP, we may get some idea. So IP. So as you can see, we are seeing a lot of traffic for this IP. And if you look to the body part, it is always the same port, as you can see. And it is a continuous traffic. So if you follow this session, let's do HTTP stream. We are seeing a post request with text stream content type, and we got an OK response with a weird HTTP header. Let's open the interesting. Oh, the free tools, they never work as expected, always. So I think there is another. Is it Cloud Shark? No, there should be another one. Online IDS. I think Packet Total maybe. Packet Total, yeah. Let's wait for this guy. I hope it will work. So the thing is, as till now we found there is a download uh, from this IP. Uh, yeah, this IP, and also after this IP we saw some C2 beaconing. Here's the download request. Here's the MZ header, and this program cannot be run in DOS mode. It looks like a exe file. So if we want to extract this exe, we can say extract objects HTTP, and file name, we can export the file we just saw, which is let's try by content type, just one exe file. Let's download to desktop, and in parallel, yeah, I am pretty sure that I am not a robot, I hope. Let's go to VirusTotal and upload this guy. Yeah, I think we found it. Malicious, and looks like a very similar pattern. And we have a open intelligence from VMware, which is a good solution. Some AV attributed this as emotet. By the way, it is last scan time 12 hours ago. I recommend you rescan every time you analyze, because sometimes antivirus signatures updated after a specific period, so this may be helpful. Let's go to VMware analyze. By the way, it looks like we have our Snort signatures, and it's saying that we saw HTTP traffic on 443 port, and it was a post, which is weird since HTTP traffic generally runs on port 80, so this is a suspicious thing. And also we saw a curl user agent outbound, and also it has a regex CNC traffic. I think with emotet also there is a regex activity, since it's used as a second stage malware. So show us the suspicious activities then. This site's also using Bro, and it parts the columns we just did with our console. So you can see all the information also from this page, and also it correlates this data via other open source intelligence. So as you can see, it is also extracting PE log and files log information. The data we just saw, even resources parts. Pretty much useful. And when we look for the full analysis via open source reporting, you can see that it is emotet and it's attributed from memory dump. So you can show process or see in memory dump. All the IOCs, all the information that host done. HTTP request that we also saw. Yeah, I think it is okay for now for the analyze. If you also search these IPs from open source intelligence resources like Roptex, Threat Miner, and even VirusTotal, you can see related things like, let's get this value from the source part of it. Let's search this IP. Yeah, our domain, the suspicious domain Kobo Nihan Web VN, which we saw here while downloading an exe. If you go to this domain, and also if we search this domain in VirusTotal, we can see related suspicious activities. As you can see, there is some relations and also some URLs suspicious and some downloaded files related with this host. And if you log in, you can get the detailed graph for this. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you a little bit analyzing Zeek using open source intelligence, attributing related malware. So thank you guys.